Here with me the Nissan ECU or PCM, you can see in my hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reflow the soldering for this ECU. The reason is this is behaving abnormally in the car. So for this purpose I'm going to show the procedure, the whole procedure. Here is in my hand is the flux. This is I prepared from the clothony. I will show the whole procedure how it is being made. So here is my gun. You know, the gun is going on in heating process. So let us apply first the flux to the board. This flux is actually liquid flux, you can see, and after the work it's not needing to clean. The reason is this is insulating type of flux. I will show the procedure how to make it for your own experimentation or whatsoever you can say, the own work. This is very much cheap flux which I prepared and working well, awesomely. So here is the way I'm going to do it. So let us see the procedure for the reflow. With the flux actually the reflow is easy. I am reducing the quantity of air because little air is required. I think so you will be able to see it on camera. What I am going to do is so by this way the reflowing process is carried on, and actually what it is happening is it is melting the solder and again it is resoldering inside. So by this way the reflow is occurring, and if there is some loose connection that will be soldered in and the machine will perform as it was. I mean the circuit will perform as it was. So by the same way I have to do it for this one also, this small connector. I'm going to reflow. I'm sure that the camera will pick these things, each and every event. I have to apply a little bit more flux. So the whole board I'm going to make it temperature. So the whole board will be preheated in this way. It will help to solve the problem of the desoldering. I'm not providing too much heat. The reason is, if I will provide too much heat, then underneath you can see there are components. These components can be dropped down, and that is what I'm not liking. I don't want to be. So now what I'm going to do is, I have to provide heat over here in this side also to the components. So for this purpose, first I have to apply a little bit flux to the components so that they will be providing help to us for the reflow, for the transfer of heat even. So by this way, I am providing flux to the board, and then I will heat it. Actually, the heat gun is already on the top of the board. I am preheating by this way, and then afterwards the real heat I will provide to the components. So now what I am going to do is, as you can see, I am providing heat to the components. But I cannot go too deep. The reason is, there is airflow. The airflow actually can remove components from the board, and the components will flow here and there. That will create a new problem for me, and that is what I don't want. I'm just heating the board from a little bit far away from the board by this way. Chips, resistors, capacitors, transistors, each and everything I'm going to reflow. Now the temperature is increasing for the gun, as I can feel it on the board. But it is better from the far away we will be able to do, and this is what is our requirement also, that I should be able to do it from the far away, so that this will be done. So this main microcontroller, I am going to provide heat. Now almost everything got heat. So I will do the procedure again for the terminals. I will apply a little bit flux more. These 5 terminals you can see here, they are very much important because they are bringing power and grounds to the board. So this was what was the procedure for the reflowing of such a ECU or PCM. You noticed I did not replace any component, but instead I just reflowed the board, and this reflow actually it's enough for this board. The reason was the component replacement was not required in this board. Instead a reflow will do the purpose. So this was what was our repair for this PCM or ECU. And thank you for watching. Share the video with your friends, and I will bring more and more videos like this. So do subscribe and share the channel with your friends.